I have problem with my heat. It doesn't blow the hot air come out, and it happened like 3-4 days ago. Remember last clip that I showed you that I have problem with the one component that losing bad connection. It's like cracking solder on the PC board. I fixed it. It worked like 3-4 weeks, and then it happened again. That's why I have my fireplace on right now, because to get the heat. Okay. Okay. Let's go to check, see what happened up there in the attic. I hope we can find a problem. Okay, we go up to the attic right now. I have the lights turned on. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Yes, I have been opened it, and this check a little bit. Let's see what's going on here. It's kind of dark over here. Okay. Let me turn the lights on, and let me get from there. Start. Remember, this power, I don't have the switch in my unit. I have to plug in and out. Okay. Let's start this. Let's see what happens. I see the click. I see the light. See nothing. Sorry. See the light here is no power at all. Okay, that's what is problem. Okay, no power come at all. Usually the light here is flashing. Then I have problem. When I put it a little bit, see, the light start flashing, and then the unit start turn on. Now it will, when I let go, you just keep turn it on. Okay. Let's see how the unit work and how long it will work. Okay. Remember last time that I fixed this problem? This light for zone 1, zone 2. See, because on outside and my fireplace turn on, I think the temperature is inside kind of like warm enough. That's why it turned off another zone. Only one zone is turned on in my room. So remember last time that I had problems over here with the resistor. I see very close that resistor is kind of like overheat and burn the solder. It make a crack. Okay, solder crack on that one. This fix. Now we have problem over here. Let's see if we can see how it will work. We will take a minute to warm it up. And let's see. It happened like this, like 1 or 2 weeks. I come in here. Let's make sure this switch come up out. This safety switch. It says on. Now it's on. Okay. Now it start blow. Take maybe about 5-10 seconds. Now the heat ignition is turned on right now. Okay. Next it will be gas. gas will come out pretty soon. Now it's low. So it will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes. It will shut off. I think it port connection on this PC board. I might need to take the board out and see any cracked solder there on this PC board, because I have been checked on this couple times. It have problem when I move in the wire. It kind of like stop and go. When it stop, when I pull the wire a little bit, and then it start again. So I think that's the problem. I hope I can find a problem on a PC board that can fix the problem. Okay, now it seems like work, everything function. Okay, everything function, work good. If I pull the wire here, if I pull the wire or push a little bit, it will stop. Eventually it will leave like this, like sometimes it take 1-2 days, 2 or 3 days, off and on, it work, it function, everything, and sun is no power to it, stop, work on and off. Sometimes when it work like heat enough in the house, it stop and then it will turn back on. And then I come here, I pull the wire here, it have start working. I will see how long. I will leave this video. I'm not cut this video. I will leave like this. See if you can see how long it will take to turn off. Okay. If it's too long, I will stop this video and then I will record when it turn off, and then I will show you how it intermittent on and off. Seems like everything work okay right now. Okay. When you turn it off, I will show you how you turn it back on when I push the wire. Let's see if we find this problem. Okay. I will stop the clip right here, and then I will show you when the problem is off. Take about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. After I turn off the clip, now see that it's like clicking, it's like up and on. Okay. The blower stop and go. You might pull the wire a little bit, so you can hear the click. Start up and on. Okay. If I hold a little bit longer, start up and on. See here the click. Okay. Now I gotta turn the power off. Okay. The power off is right here. Let me turn the lights. See the plug right here. We unplug this. Okay. It will turn off. Okay, it's unplugged. Okay. Now I will take the PC board out and I will look inspect it, see how it's how to find that's a problem. Okay. I will not take video. It probably take too long. Let me figure out how to take it out. The PC board. So first time I never do it, but make sure if you do anything, so unplug the power. Yeah. Okay, I will show you when I take it out and see how it's find the problem. Okay, I have unplugged this two connector. This another one for the power, and I also took the clip. They have like 4 clip, the plastic clip to hold it. Just take it out. Okay, I tried to take the connector out, see if I can bring the board out and look at another side, because this board is like a single side PC board. They have pad only one side. It couldn't be those connector, through hole connector that through solder another side cracking or something. I don't want to unplug all these because I don't remember. I'll have to label if I unplug all these. So to see if I can turn this around and see another side of the PC board. I hope I can do that, because so many wires, big wire too. Okay. Okay, I can bend over. Oh, this is very good solder. I don't see any crack. Yeah. If it's not any crack, I see one here like dark black. Maybe they try to solder this. Look like they touch up this wire. I don't know what this wire for. Is for the fuse. I think it's a fuse. Oh, this one of the pin of the connector. See that black thing? See the lights? Okay. See that black, that pin? See that pin? I will look closest to that pin. Okay. Let's see if it's cracked in there. Okay. I have been bring my solder iron here. I have soldered this. Look like the pin solder there is like clothing, and I put a jumper wire there. I think you can see it. Okay. The jumper wire there. I put a jumper and put a good solder there. Makes a good connection. I think that's the only thing I see. It's not that look like that. It's not 100% connection. It's like off and on. I think that's what is problem. I hope we can solve that problem. Let me put it back together and see if it works. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put it back. I hope everything solved the problem. Let me see. F4 pin next. Let's go in here. Okay, look like everything going back. Check out why. Okay, let's plug it in now. See what happens. Let me turn my irons off. Just plug the power back. Okay, start. Okay, the process turn. You will hear one click, and then you will turn the fan, the blow on. It take maybe less than a minute. It works. When the time we turn off, I did check this safety switch here, but I think it connect okay. It still have connection there. You know, it's not open. Everything now is only the fan inside the house. Fan is blow. I hope it works. Cross my finger. Here the click, see the blower starting, and next it will be igniter. Igniter will turn on, will be heated up, lighted up. Let me turn my lights off. You can see that. See that start, turn on. And then you will turn on the gas. You keep the gas turn on. I hope it keep running this. I hope it works. I think maybe I saw that problem. Yeah, I will close everything. We'll close everything and see how long it takes. I hope it worked, because last time it worked like a couple days. Okay, see this in. Let's put the cover back, put everything back. So, okay, everything back now. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I think it's there's a problem. Yeah. I hope everything works. Thank you for watching this video. Okay. Bye.